And one of the biggest key things for me that I remember as a child is actually being quite embarrassed, actually. And I'd try to figure out if I had friends coming over, how I could sneak somebody in the house without Barry seeing us. Because he would always stop and ask us, all my friends, if we knew the rule of 72. And we were 12. So, I mean, even if we did know the rule of 72, we really didn't care or want to get into it. So, I mean, really, that's maybe the first thing I want to ask everybody here now is, you know, do you know the rule of 72? And, you know, that was a good opportunity for me in my start. And it's a very simple, easy concept, but it gets, you know, that conversation about money going. So I'll tell you, I'll share with you what the rule of 72 is. Essentially, it's a simple factor where we can just divide our interest rate by 72, and that will let us know how many years it takes to double our money. So for all of us in those safe investments, let's say, and I won't get into a lot of investments this week, but for those of us in safe investments, maybe a tax-free savings account that's barely doing 1% at the bank, it's about being able to monitor on, you know, tell if it's going to outpace inflation. So if you're doing 1%, then just think about how many 72 years that you might have in your life in order to double your money.